Good morning, students. Let us continue the topic 3D geometry, in which you have seen already how to find the distance between two skew lines, correct, no? Shortest distance between two skew lines. But I have taken only one or two examples, I think, in the last video. Let me continue by taking some more examples on this. Shortest distance between two skew lines. Yes, problem number first one, today's first problem. Find the shortest distance between the skew lines, You know, skew line means they are neither parallel nor intersecting straight lines in three-dimensional space. Okay, right. Shortest distance between the skew lines, equations let me write, are equal to, there are two problems, so let me write. Problem number A is R equal to 3i minus 2j plus k plus lambda into, you know, the equation of the line in three-dimensional space is like this. A plus lambda into b. Remember that, no? I plus j plus k. This is the standard form, but called as a vector form of the equation of the line. Let me write one more. After that, let us solve the equation. R equal to, not B, pair of lines. R equal to 2i plus j plus 3k plus mu into 2i plus 5j plus 4k over 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3 minus 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Write the formula. Then write all the details, required quantities separately. Then substitute the values in the equation. So, shortest distance between two skew lines is D equal to B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 divided by mod B1 cross B2. Formula to find the shortest distance is this. B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 divided by B1 cross B2. B1 cross B2 equal to, let me write the details I told you, no? Which are the vectors B1, B2, what about A2, what about A1? Again, remember it is also vector. Don't confuse with that. Let me write one by one. R equal to A. Actually, there are two equations. So, this is A1, this is A2. A1, A2. A1 equal to 3i minus 2j plus k. A2 equal to this one, 2i plus j plus 3k. a1 a2 over a plus lambda into b. b1 is this, b2 is this. b1 I plus j plus k, and b2 is 2i plus 5j plus 4k. Next, calculate one by one. First, what you need? b1 cross b2. b1 cross b2 equal to ijk b1 is 1 1 1, b2 is 2 5 4, and is equal to I into 4 minus 5 minus j into 4 minus 2 plus k into 5 minus 2. Yes, 5 minus 2. Simplification is I into minus 1 minus j into 2 plus k into 3, or the vector b1 cross b2 is minus I minus 2j plus 3k. Yes. You need modulus of that. Let me calculate now itself. However, it is required root of minus 1 square minus 2 square 3 square, or it is 1 4 9 root 14. Right? Next, a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1 is a2 minus a1 is a2 2i plus j plus 3k minus a1 3i minus 2j plus k, or otherwise it is 2 minus 3 minus I j minus of minus 2j plus 3j 3k minus k plus 2k. b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 now. It is a2 minus a1 here, b1 cross b2 is here. Formula is actually, you are knowing this, z1 z2 dot product x1 is b1 cross b2 minus 1, y1 is minus 2, z1 is 3, x2 is a2 minus a1 minus 1, y2 is 3, z2 is 2. b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 is minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2 into 3 3 into 2 1 minus 6 plus 6 1 only 1. Finally, write shortest distance. d equal to modulus of numerator is dot product 1, here it is, denominator modulus of b1 cross b2 root 14. No need of putting the modulus sign. 1 by root 14. 1 by root 14. b1 cross b2, just to verify the answer is something else here. 3 minus 2k ijk 2i plus j plus 3k 2i plus 5j plus 4k b1 cross b2 4 minus 5 4 minus 2 5 minus 2, everything is correct. Modulus is 1 plus 4 5 plus 9, a2 minus a1 minus 1 3 2, dot product is 1 plus minus 6 plus 6. Everything is correct, no doubt. 1 by root 14. Go to the next problem. Second problem. R is problem number second is problem number B is, question is the same, find the shortest distance. B is x minus 5 by 4 equal to y minus 3 by 2 equal to z plus 1 divided by 1 and x plus 6 divided by 2 y minus 1 divided by 1 z minus 3 divided by 2. Find the shortest distance between this one. Shortest distance between this. But the given equation is in the form of Cartesian form. Find the shortest distance. Yes, now b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1. Actually this whole term is b1 given b1 equal to second vector, but it is not in the standard form. Better to write the equations. Equation of the lines in their standard form. In their standard form, x minus 5 by 4, y minus 3 by 2, z minus of minus 1 by 1 and x minus of minus 6 by 2, y minus 1 by 1, z minus 3 by 2. Standard form of the equation of the line. Now we can write what is b1. Vector b1 equal to this one. See, direction is decided by the direction ratios. Direction ratios always in the denominator. So this is 4i plus 2j plus k, actually that vector b1. b1 is 4i plus 2j plus k. b2 is 2i plus j plus 2k. A1 is, remember, that is why I have written this in the standard form. A1 is x1i plus y1j plus z1k. x1i, or it is, let me write straight away, 5i plus 3j minus k. That is why it is written in the standard form. Remember, z1 is minus 1. Z1 is minus 1. Similarly, A2 is the next vector in the second equation. Minus 6i minus j minus 3k. Okay. Now write one by one. B1 cross B2. IJK. B1 is 4, 2, 1. B2 is 2, 1, 2. And it is 4 minus 1. Careful. J. 8 minus 2. K. 4 minus 4. Or it is 3i minus 6j 0k. Right? Next, modulus of B1 cross B2. Modulus of B1 cross B2 is root of 3 square minus 6 square 0 square 9 plus 36 root 45, or you can write this one as 9 into 5. Here 3 root 5 can also be written, that modulus of that. Next, after obtaining this, you need last one, A2 minus A1 equal to A2 minus 6i minus j minus 3k minus A1 5i plus 3j minus k, or it is minus 6 minus 5 minus 11i minus j minus 3j minus 4j minus 3k minus of minus k minus 2k over B1 cross B2 dot product A2 minus A1 is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2. x1 y1 z1 are x2 y2 z2 are. In order to avoid the confusion, write all the values together, then fill the values in the formula. So x1, you are finding B1 cross B2, it is here 3 minus 6 0. A2 minus A1 is here minus 11 minus 4 minus 2. B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 is 3 into minus 11 minus 6 into minus 4 0 into minus 2. 0 into minus 2. Equal to minus 33 plus 24 0 minus 9 minus 9 Finally, D equal to modulus of minus 9 divided by 3 root 5 or 9 by 3 root 5 or 3 by root 5 is the answer. 3 by root 5 is the answer. B1 cross B2 5 3 minus 6 plus j plus 3k. Please note here one small mistake has done. Which one? See this one. Minus 6 1 3 minus 6 1 3 it should be. X minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2. Okay. Then what are the changes? A2 minus 5, 6, this one correct no, B2 correct no. B2 is minus 6, 1, 3. A1, 5, 3 minus 1. A1, 5, 3 minus 1, correct. Only A2 have written wrongly. A2, minus 6, 1, 3. Minus 6, 1, 3. Subtraction, minus 6, 1, 3. Subtraction is minus 11, minus 2. Please correct it. 3 minus of minus 4. Minus 11, minus 2, 4. X1, X2, 3 into minus 11, minus 6 into minus 2, minus 2, Z1 into, it is actually 0, no problem. Only the thing is, it becomes 12. So, minus 33 plus 12 minus 11, correct no? Minus 11. Z1, 3 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 6, 0. A2 minus A, minus 11, minus 2, 4. Minus 11, minus 2, 4. 0. Minus 33 plus 12, minus 11. Minus 11 by. Now it is correct. Eleven by 3 root 5. 11 by 3 root 5. A2 minus A1, again verify it whether it is so. A2 minus A1 minus 11 minus 2 plus 4. Product B1 cross B2 correct. Minus 33 plus 12 minus 11, everything is okay. Now it is okay.